Hi, my name is Gauri and I'm a legal intern with Lexis & Company. In this video, I'll be discussing the procedure for the Constitution of Law Commission as well as the composition of Law Commission in India. So the procedure for the Constitution of the Law Commission in India is quite simple. The power to form a Law Commission is in the hands of the central government, and after the expiration of the Law Commission, the central government can establish a new Law Commission by a resolution. As soon as the resolution is passed by both the houses of the parliament for the formation of a Law Commission, it is sent to the President for his assent. After the President has given their assent, the central government has the power to appoint the chairman of the new commission. Now, the composition of Law Commission. Now, since we know that the central government has the power to appoint the Law Commission and the chairman of the commission, a Law Commission mostly consists of numerous legal experts like professors, judges, or any distinguished lawyer. A commission mostly consists of the following members. One is the chairman, and a Law Commission has only one chairman. One permanent member, a member to be appointed as secretary, and part-time members. However, this composition of the commission is not binding to the central government. The composition is entirely at the discretion of the central government. For instance, in the 21st Law Commission of India, the composition was a chairman who was a full-time member, full-time members which also included a member secretary, ex officio chairman, that was the secretary of Department of Legal Affairs and secretary of the Legislative Department, and the permanent members. So the composition in India is divided into two departments, namely the research staff and the administrative staff. The research staff has a responsibility to constitute a research panel and carry out the research regarding the required laws. And on the other hand, the administrative department of the Law Commission of India looks after the administration work of the commission. And the term of the Law Commission is fixed for 3 years, and after executive research, it provides suggestions to the Ministry of Law and Justice. That brings me to the end of this video. If you have any queries, you can post them in the comments. Thank you.